Imagine this. You're flying high above the ground. You're relaxed, maybe reading a book or watching a movie. Suddenly, the flight attendant makes an announcement. The pilot is unable to fly the plane. They need help from the passengers. Would you volunteer? What happens if you're the only one who can help? It sounds like a scene from a movie, but it could happen. What would you do if you were asked to land a plane? It's a scary thought, right? Don't worry, this essay will guide you through it. We'll explore the cockpit, learn about landing, and discover the help available. We'll even discuss if a regular person with a little guidance could actually land a plane safely. Fasten your seatbelts and let's take off on this informative journey. Let's step into the cockpit. It's not as intimidating as it seems. Sure, there are buttons and screens everywhere, but each one has a purpose. In front of you is the control wheel, or yoke, which steers the plane. To your left and right are the throttles, controlling the engine power. The colorful screens display important information like altitude, speed, and direction. Don't forget the radio. It's how we talk to air traffic control, or ATC. They are our friends on the ground, guiding us safely through the skies. Landing a plane is like a graceful dance in the air. It's about precision and timing. The pilot has to perfectly balance the plane's speed, altitude, and direction. As the plane approaches the runway, the pilot gradually reduces the engine power using the throttles. At the same time, they adjust the yoke to maintain the correct descent angle. Just before touchdown, the pilot gently pulls back on the yoke to lift the plane's nose slightly. This ensures a smooth landing on the rear wheels first. Landing might look easy, but it takes years of training and experience. Pilots are highly trained professionals who make it look effortless. Now let's talk about air traffic control, or ATC. They are the unsung heroes who keep our skies safe. They monitor all the planes in the air and provide instructions to pilots. If a passenger were ever in a situation where they needed to land a plane, ATC would be their lifeline. ATC can guide the passenger through every step of the landing process. They would explain how to use the radio, control the plane's speed and altitude, and navigate to the runway. They would be calm, patient, and reassuring, providing clear and concise